To add notes to a widget, select the widget and then enter text into the note field on the Notes pane. After the input is completed, you can see a numerical marker appearing in the upper right corner of the widget whose number corresponds to the marker on the Notes pane. And a new note input will be automatically added below the original input. You can continue to enter note. You can see that another numerical mark has been added in the upper right corner of the widget. If you want to edit the note field, click on the gear in the upper right. Select the Edit Widget Notes tab in the pop-up window. You can see the default text type fields. Click on the Add Drop List, and you will see 3 types of fields. We will select List. List options can be entered on the right side, with each row representing one option. For example, 1, 2, 3 is an input that can only input numbers. Let's add a number field. Change its name to size. Click Done, and we can see that the note fields that can be entered have changed. Click on the priority drop list and we can choose 1, 2, 3. In the size input, we can enter number. Click on the gear and select Edit Widget Field Sets in the pop-up window. Add a new field set on the left. At the top of the Notes pane, you can select a field set. You also need to set the fields included in the field set. Then select the fields included on the right, which are the fields we just added. You can see that the fields that can be entered have changed. Select all fields from the drop list, and you will see all the fields. Finally, let's preview the added fields and notes. Click on the note marks and you can see the added note fields and their values.